Hi friends, my name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, I will explain you exercise 2.1, question number 5 and question number 6. So let's start it with question number 5. First of all, read this question. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE, and second question, the rectangle BCDE in this figure, whose perimeter is greater. So first of all, we need to find perimeter of triangle ABE, then we need to find perimeter of rectangle BCDE, and we need to check it whose perimeter is greater. So first of all, we start with triangle. Okay, now in triangle ABE, side 5 by 2, here 2 integer 3 by 4 centimeter and 3 integer 3 by 5 centimeter. Okay, so first of all, just write down perimeter of triangle ABE. Right, perimeter of triangle ABE is equals to, now perimeter means what? Sum of all the sides, right? Perimeter means sum of all the sides. So here in triangle we have 3 sides, so AB plus BE plus AE, right? Sum of all 3 sides. Now AB is equals to 5 by 2 plus BE is equals to 2 integer 3 by 4 plus AE is equals to 3 integer 3 by 5, right? Now we need to simplify this. Okay, so again our perimeter is equals to 5 by 2 plus 2 integer 3 by 4 plus 3 integer 3 by 5. So here first of all 5 by 2 as it is. Now convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 4 to the 8, we need to multiply it. So 4 to the 8 plus numerator, so 8 plus 3, it is 11, and denominator 4 as it is. Same thing in third term, 5 3 is 15, we need to add our numerator, so 5 3 is 15 plus 3, it is 18, and divide by 5 as it is. Okay, now here we need to take LCM, right? Here we need to take LCM. So here 2, 4 and 5. So LCM of 2, 4 and 5. So first of all 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 5 as it is. Again 1 as it is, 2 1s are 1, 5 as it is, then 5, here 1, 1 and 1. So our LCM is equals to, we need to multiply this, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So LCM is equals to 20. Right, here 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. So our LCM is equals to 20. Okay, so in denominator we need to write our LCM, it is 20. Now think how we can convert our 2 into 20. How we can convert 2 into 20? So we need to multiply 2 with 10, right? 2 tens are, so same thing we need to multiply with our numerator, right? In denominator 2 is there, but we want 20, so we need to multiply it with 10, 10 2s are 20, so same thing we need to multiply with numerator, so 10 5s are, it is 50. Okay, 10 5s are 50. Then second term, in second term denominator is 4, but we want 20, so 4 5s are 20, right? In denominator we need to multiply with 5, so same thing we need to multiply with numerator, 11 5s are 55. In last term, in denominator 5 is there, but we want 20, so we need to multiply it with 4, so same thing we need to multiply with our numerator, so 18 4s are, it is 72, right? So we need to convert our denominator into LCM. LCM is 20, so we need to convert our denominator into 20. Okay, So we need to think that what number we can multiply with denominator. Okay, same number we need to multiply with numerator even. Now we can add our numerator. 50 plus 55, it is 105, plus 72, it is 177. Denominator 20 as it is. Okay, so here 177 upon 20, this is improper fraction. We can convert it in mixed fraction, right? So just divide 177 by 20. Okay, so 20 9s are 180, so we need to take here 8, 28s are 160, the remainder is 17. So here we need to write our integer part, our answer 8, then clockwise direction, 8 integer 70 upon 20. Okay, this is the perimeter of triangle ABE, and at last we need to write unit, it is centimeter. So perimeter of triangle ABE is equals to 8 integer 17 by 20 centimeter. Okay, then we need to find perimeter of rectangle. Now in rectangle, two things is there, it is length and breadth. Here BE given, it is 2 integer 3 by 4, and DE given, it is 7 by 6 centimeter. Okay, so BE our length and 7 by 6 it is our breadth B. Right? Now perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle. Two things we can do. We can add our 4 sides, otherwise we can use the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Okay, we can add BE plus DE plus CD plus BC, but in that BE and CD both are length is same, so 2L, and we need to add our other 2 sides, it is BC and DE. Again these 2 sides are breadth, so we can write 2B. So we can use here formula 2 in bracket L plus B. Right? If you forget this formula, then just add our 4 sides. Okay, but if you remember this, then just use this formula. Okay, so 2 in bracket L plus B. Now 2 as it is, L, it is 2 integer 3 by 4, breadth B is equals to 7 by 6. Right, again 2 as it is. Now here 2 integer 3 by 4. First of all, this 4 with 2, we need to multiply this 4 with 2, then add our numerator. So 4 to the 8 plus 3, it is 11 by 4, and second term 7 upon 6 as it is. Right? If you forget the conversion, means improper to mixed fraction, then just see the theory video. Okay, so here now we need to simplify our bracket. Right, in bracket we need to take LCM. Okay, we have our denominator 4 and 6. If you take LCM of 4 and 6, it is 12. So in denominator we need to write 12. Now just think that how we can convert our 4 to the 12. Right, 11 by 4, denominator we have 4, but we want 12, so we need to multiply it with 3. So same thing we need to multiply with our numerator. So 11 3s are 33, and 12 denominator it is already I written. Then plus 7 upon 6. Now in denominator we have 6, but we want 12, so just multiply our denominator with 2. So same thing we need to multiply with our numerator even. So 7 to the 14. Now we can add our numerator. Right, and here 2 and 12 can be cut. 2 6 are 12. Right now it is in multiplication, so we can cut it. Okay, so 2 6 are 12, and in numerator 33 plus 40 plus 1 for 14, right? It is a 47. So 47 divided by 6. Now we need to convert this into mixed fraction, right? So just divide 47 by 6. 6 sevens are 42, right? So remainder is 5. So here our answer is 7 integer in numerator 5 by 6. 7 integer 5 by 6 centimeter. Okay. So our perimeter of triangle, it is 8 integer 17 by 20, but our perimeter of rectangle is 7 integer 5 by 6. So here our answer is 8 point something, right? Because 8 integer is there, that's why. Here our answer is 7 point something, because we have integer part as 7, right? In triangle we have integer part 8, so our answer is 8 point something, and in case of rectangle our answer is 7 integer 5 by 6, so it is a 7 point something. Okay, now which is greater? This one, that means triangle. So here 8 integer 17 by 20 is greater than 7 integer 5 by 6. So we can write like this. Therefore the perimeter of triangle, ABE is greater than that of rectangle BCDE. Okay, the perimeter of triangle ABE is greater than that of rectangle BCDE. Okay, this is our answer. Then question number 6. First of all, read this question. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter wide. So how much should be picture be trimmed? Okay, original picture is 7 integer 3 by 5 centimeter wide, but to fit in the frame the picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter wide. So we need to cut our picture, right? So how much should the picture be trimmed? So what we need to do? We need to find the difference between these two, right? Whatever difference is there, we need to cut our picture according to that, right? That means first of all we need to find how much our picture is greater than the original length, right? How much our picture is greater than this length, and we need to cut that length. Okay, so first of all find out difference. So here this is our size of picture, which is greater than, right, which is greater, and we want 7 integer 3 by 10, right? So just subtract big number minus small number. Here 7 integer 3 by 5 is big number, because it is already given that our picture have a size more than, that is size of the frame, right? That's why we need to trim our picture, right? So 7 integer 3 by 5 minus 7 integer 3 by 10. So first of all we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so just multiply 5 with 7. 7 5s are 35. Then we need to add one numerator. 7 5s are 35 plus 3, 38 by 5. Then negative sign. Then here 10 into 7. 10 multiply 7 is 70. Then we need to add 3. So 70 plus 3. It is a 73 by 10. Okay. So 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. Now here we need to take LCM. right? 5 and 10 is that denominator are different, so we need to take LCM, right? So just find out LCM of 5 and 10. LCM of 5 and 10, it is 10, right? Now in first term we have denominator 5, we need to convert it in 10, so we need to multiply with 2. So same number we need to multiply with our numerator. 38 into 2, it is 76, right? Then in second term we already have denominator as a 10, so we do not need to change anything, right? So our numerator 73 as it is. Now in numerator 76 minus 73, it is 3 divided by 10 as it is. So our answer is 3 by 10 centimeter. This is already a proper fraction, right? So we cannot convert it in mixed fraction. So this is our answer. Thus the picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter, right? Because our picture is 3 upon 10 centimeter greater than the frame. So we need to cut it. So thus the picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. Okay, thank you.